voice. I think he gave it to me international. But I also work at the school. I'm a Hawaiian Studies teacher and I teach hula. And I've taken over Kumu John Keola Lake's Hula Now Pio program. Like I said, I'm a student of Chiki-Mohoi. I'm not I wasn't a St. Louis grad. But I do bleed red and blue. Go Hawaii and I Sea Riders. But I was just saying, why am I Crusaders? But I did kind of, want to honor Kumu Lake and his history there at the school. And he started this hula program back in 1965. And so when I was going to work at St. Louis and bring back hula there at Kalawaku, I did reach out to Kapono Aimoretau and Sisi Lake, his ohana, just to get their blessings and make sure it was okay that I used the name. But and then what stemmed out of Hula Now Pio was our kalao, Kawaiulo Kala. And so recently we went to the Merrimack Hula Festival, and we will be returning again this year, next week. Kind of moving on in our show, as Poliahu looks out to Kilauea, she sees Pele, the fire goddess. This particular chant that I wrote, it's entitled E Hoi Kilauea Kilauea, as a meleho, as an offering to Pele, to give her aloha and to know as our people we support her and we care about her. And for whatever reason, in her recent destruction of the Aina, that also brings life to our Aina, so we don't view it as a destructive force, but it's Pele's home, and that's where she belongs, and she does as she wants to, and we respect her for that. In this particular chant, it speaks about Kilauea, her making her home in the crater of Halemaʻoma'o. When we go up to Merrimack, we actually stay at Kilauea Military Camp, so we're very deeply rooted and connected to the spirit of that area, and we honor Pele through that in this mele. E hoi Kilauea Kilauea. Ma kauka.
Ai, e hoi ke aloha Kilauea.
Ma.
E hoi ke aloha Kilauea.
E hoi ke aloha Kilauea. Hakaluna wa hine kapu.
E hoi ke aloha Kilauea.
E hoi ke aloha Kilauea. Hakaluna wa hine kapu.
I kamakani au pule.
I kamakani au pulena. No i kalai o papalawahi.
I kamakani au pule.
I kamakani au pulena. No i kalai o papalawahi.
E komo mai ni hale maua.
E komo mai hale maumau. Ua ena kawahine I kalua.
E komo mai ni hale maua.
E komo mai I hale maumau. Ua ena kawahine I kalua.
Ua vehia e kale hoa.
Ua vehia e kalehua. Te hana I no kele.
Ua vehia e kale hoa.
Ua vehia e kalehua. Te hana I no kele.
Ua na kainoa ka pōpele.
Ua na kainoa ka pōpele. E hoki ke aloha I Kilauea.
Ua na kainoa ka pōpele.
Ua na kainoa ka pōpele. E hoki ke aloha I Kilauea.
He no pele ma Kilauea.
We're going to stay here.